Poetizing and writing history are related, so are calculation and cognition. This is a sentence from Oswald Spengler. You may not have expected Spengler, good old Dr. Doom, that he seems to be writing something like this, in his magnum opus no less, of the decline of the West. Spengler sees that the end state of Faustian culture, which strives for infinity, is the reign of quantification and techniques. We have entered that end state, not the end overall of all history, but the end state of this great culture, which is becoming ossified and petrified and loses its dynamic impulses. So we have entered the civilization phase, to use Spengler's terminology. As inevitable as this moment may be, there are ways to respond to it. We stand at the pinnacle of this culture. We are witnessing its great crescendo. And due to the Western will to collect, to categorize, to organize, we have at our disposal the vast treasures of history, stretching well beyond our own 1,000 years. We can look back upon thousands and thousands of years of history, of thought, of poetry, of the most ingenious contributions of the human mind to the world. It appears that Spengler sees precisely in the act of history, which is akin for him to writing poetry, which works by analogy. He sees here, it seems, ways to overcome the rule or the reign of quantity in our age, so that what our civilization leaves behind, once it's inevitably gone, for that is the fate of every civilization, of every culture, so that what we leave behind is not the tyranny of value and of quantification, but indeed the poetry of history. So might you be one to write such a poetic history for the future, or maybe even of the future? Then join us when we consider this possibility at our upcoming masterclass on Spengler's seminal work, The Decline of the West. Live group seminars begin Saturday, October 7th. The link to enroll is in the description of this video. Thank you very much indeed.